Welcome to Brushy Creek Skate Vlogs. This is David back here. We got little David here. What's up, little David?
Welcome to Brushy Creek Skate Park, everyone.
Thank you.
If y'all know the skate park come on today, we're gonna have hot dogs, we're gonna have food, we're gonna have a lot of damn good day.
That's right. That's
Come
right.
on to the skate park!
That's right. Do you know why? Because we have a fire up the Euro. We're not saying who did it. Somebody did this. But we're doing tricks up the fire up the Euro. Let's go, boys.
And we're gonna have more people to get here. And Dylan is bringing some hot dogs.
There you go. All right, it's cooking. Let's get some tricks up this. America, dude. America. That's right. That's right, little David. Get him. Get him, dog. Get him, dog. Get him. America, dude. America. Here we go. First trick of the night up the... Yeah.
Oh, I wasn't ready.
Fuck yeah! 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 You know? Yeah. Yeah. With the wiener. With the wiener. With the wiener for all the hot moms. Hey, ah. Yeah, cheers, brother. Cheers. Hell yeah. Yeah. It's been a good night, dude. Happy New Year. Brushy New Year. Brushy New Year.
Brushy New Year with the boys.
That's right, with the boys. That's right. Shout out Day One Skateboards. Shout out Day One. Yeah. Hell yeah. Got the whole squad out tonight.
Okay, so then what is that? You hear that little like high note? What is that called? You don't need to say it.
John! Woo! Just a fat shove. It looks so good though. Yeah, John!
Sorry, that was weird.
Look at this. Layla's a G, dude. A high five you. Oh my God, girl. Holy shit.
I actually got my
Yo. Oh my God, girl. The saviors. The saviors of the park over here. Yeah, this is gonna hurt. This is gonna hurt.
Tilt them at like an angle like that.
Yeah, so it rolls down.
It's water. It shouldn't hurt that.
That's good.
I got the ollie up.
You tore it up.
Don't heat them up by the fire because that's ash and shit. And you don't like it.
That's true.
Here, let me see if I got a. Let's walk over there.
Wee.
Here.
It just proves one thing, Layla could take a hit, that's for sure. The OG.
I got it.
That's
This is
right.
nothing.
That's right. That's right. That's right. Dude, for real.
Come on, Snow.
Show this up. You got your hands all wrapped now? Let's go. Hey, 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 hey. She's a scrapper. Damn, girl.
Oh shit, massive blow.
I'm just kidding, but go do it. The window. No!
Oh! David! He's in the front. Whose gun is that? You just fucking hit him with the board. Like that ass. Huh? Like that ass. Wait, what just happened? What? Bro, he's been coming up to me. Trying to run my fucking leg in front of me. He wasn't on the board. Stop. We made a joke about you having a taser. We made a joke about you having a taser. You hit him with your board. Hey, what the fuck? You full swung that board. Did you?
Hey, get the fuck out. Now, get the fuck out. Get the fuck out right now. Get the fuck out. Please. Go home. Get the fuck out! Get out of me! No, we'll get out right now. Get the fuck out of my horse.
Yeah.
Wait, what just happened?
I think that dude hit that kid in the white jacket with his board, like truck slapped this kid.
Oh my god!
This is awesome. You want to talk about content right now, dude? I feel they're pushing this kid. Even little David just jumping in all day. That's crazy.
Oh, he's running now.
I mean, he should be.
It's literally the whole skate park right now.
Right? You see that? That's why you befriend all the minors at the skate park, because they'll beat up the kids for you.
Don't hit no minors up in here. What the heck are you doing?
What are you doing? Get the fuck out of here, boy. Get the fuck out of here. Dude. Holy shit. Okay, well, that's an epic end to this. Hopefully it's not the end, but we'll see, dude. Golly, dude, what the fuck, dude.
Hello. Hi, Georgie.
Back up, back up.
No, that was perfect.
Hi, Georgie. My name is Pennywise. Hi, Georgie.
Boys, we're out this bit. Say goodbye to the vlog.
Hi, Georgie.
All right, we're out of here. We got the fire going. Kids are gonna put it out soon. Fire going down. We got Layla here. OG. Hey, show off your bandages, girl. What's up? Yeah, she got lit up. R.I.P. And we got the fire. Bye. Bye.
Hi, Georgie.
Okay.
My name is Georgie David.
What are you saying?
Say goodbye. Bye! Okay, I'm gonna have to edit this out. No, I'm just kidding. All right, we're ending it here, dude. America, dude. We're outside. I got the autism fucking beanie. We're outside hanging out. That's right.
Hey.
Hey, hey.
Merry
The fire's
Christmas,
going
Happy
out.
New Year.
We're vibing out. No cops came this year, which is awesome, America. That's right. Peace out, Girl Scout. Kids are still mini ramping. We got Harlan over there. Oh, Harlan's a G, dude. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. All right, we're out this.